Hello, YouTube. YouTube, we are live on YouTube. How's everyone doing? Do you guys want to learn the skills to earn $900 a day in digital marketing? $900 a day, guys. That's $28,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. That's what this video is about. My name is Larry. I'm a digital marketer. I live in South Florida with my wife, Lisa. And I got into digital marketing, and it's been life changing. It's been life changing for so many people. I help people make money online and in the digital space. And I came across this six-figure blueprint. I answered a post that I saw on social media, and I got involved, and it showed me step by step how I could earn up to $900 or more a day in passive income. And it was 100% profit, 100% profit. I never heard of anything like that. And I didn't have to develop any products. I didn't have to worry about being technically inclined. I didn't have to develop a website. Sounded too good to be true. But you know what? You don't know if you don't check it out. So I checked it out and I got involved. And like I said, it's been life-changing. We sell digital products. I'm in the digital marketing space, digital products in the digital marketing space. So digital marketing is just marketing products online. And I happen to promote digital products, which are all web-based. There's no inventory. There's no cost of goods. There's no shipping costs. Everything is delivered instantly. It's digital. There's no cost once you have the product. And we sell 4 digital products. We have 4 income streams that we offer. And it's called master resale rights. So in other words, once we buy the program, we have the rights to it and we can resell it over and over again for 100% profit. So, I mean, we're promoting a product online. We don't have to inventory it. We don't have to ship it. We don't have to create it. We're selling someone else's product and we're making all the money, 100% of the money. It's crazy, right? I joke about it and I say, where else can you go and sell someone else's product and make all the money? Unless maybe you know those guys that rob the store and then they're selling all the products out of the back of the truck, but that's not legal. So this is a legitimate business. It's step by step. We teach you everything from the beginning, from soup to nuts, from A to Z. You don't have to have any experience. I'm a 60-year-old baby boomer. I live in South Florida with my wife, and I got involved in this because my wife got ill about 3 years ago, and she lost her job, and we lost her income. And we both realized quickly that we weren't going to meet our retirement goals, and I had to come up with something to supplement my income. And I've been involved in different things. I've been involved in over the years, but I was really searching the last 3 years, and I came across this, and it met the requirements that I was looking for, because I've had experience with other things. I've had experience with MLMs. This is not an MLM. There's no upline. There's no downline. You don't have to bug your friends and family. You don't have to make a list of your center of influence and start calling people and begging them to buy your product or sign up underneath you. So, with MLMs, you typically get a small percentage of the sale. The rest of it goes up to the upline and then to the company. You get 100% of this product, 100% of the profit. It goes directly into your bank account. This isn't affiliate marketing. We're not promoting affiliate offers. So, and with affiliate offers, typically you're making a small percentage as well. So I looked at it and I said, what would I want to do? Would I want to make 25, 30%? Or do I want to make 100%? It was a no-brainer, guys. 100 is better than 25. I can do half the work, 4 times the work, 4 times. I can work 4 times harder and make 4 times more money. Is that right? I don't know if the math's right. You know what I mean? In a traditional business, like I'm a salesperson in traditional business. Yeah, I got a small percentage of the sale. I was in sales. I sold window coverings. 10% of the sale. All the money went to the owner, right? So I'd rather make 100% profit and not have to worry about developing a product and not having to worry about a system, because this is a business in a box, guys. I'm going to kind of walk you through this. It's a business in a box. Um, we provide you with a done for you website. We provide you with email automations. We provide you with the product. We provide you right off the bat with 4 income streams. There's 4 programs that we promote in the e-learning industry. There's a $100 product, there's a $300, a $600, and a $900. Those are the 4 programs that we promote. They teach you how to make money online in digital marketing in the e-learning industry. It's a huge industry. It's an explosive industry, and you don't have to create it. It's done for you. All you have to do is plug into the system. You have to get started. That's the first thing. You have to make a decision in your head and say, Larry, that's what I said to myself, Larry, is this something I can see myself doing? And when I found out that I didn't need any tech skills, I didn't need to set up any website, it got me interested. I knew that I didn't have to, as a baby boomer, I'm not a techie guy. So I got involved, got started, set up my business. That was the first step's really making a decision to move forward, because if you sit on the fence, you're going to be in the same position you were next year as you are now. And so you need to take a look at it and take a look at the facts and then make a decision based on those facts, not just what you think in your head because you're not sure. A lot of people draw conclusions before they have the facts. You need the facts before you can make a decision. So I encourage anyone that's interested in looking for something, some way to supplement their income, maybe because it's, like me, short on retirement, looking for a way to come up with additional income so I can have the retirement I always wanted, so I can enjoy my grandchildren and travel and do all the things my wife and I dreamed about. But when she got ill, we kind of got gut punched and things took a turn. So we had to come up with a different path. Life sometimes is like that. So you have to make a decision to get involved. Once you get involved, the first thing you do is you set up your automated business. And once you get into the program, they show you step-by-step how to do it. I set up my business in a day. It was less than a day. It was like 8 hours. I had it all up and running. Some people do it sooner. Some people don't. And if you need help, we have technical support. You never have to worry about getting support in this business. There's so much support, it's ridiculous. So you set up your business, and that's a one-time thing. Once you get that done, you're ready to go. You have your automated website. You have your email automations. You have your products. So now what do? You got to promote them. So like any business, you got to promote your product. If you could have a cure for cancer. If no one knows about it, you're not going to go anywhere. You got to promote your product. So you got to market it. So how do you market it? Well, we market through what's called attraction marketing. Attraction marketing. And there's no cost to it. There's no advertising costs. There's no monthly fees with this business. This business it's so simple. There's no cost to market. In a traditional brick and mortar, you have to advertise however you advertise. I used to own a business. I used to own a retail business. And you had to market your business. How do you do that? Well, you take an ad out in a coupon book. You put an ad in the paper. You put an ad in a magazine. You go on the internet and market through pay-per-click. You market through social media, and you pay tens of thousands of dollars, and you have no guarantees at all. And that's all a cost of doing business. In addition to the overhead, the rent, the insurance, the employees, it goes on and on. And if you've been a business owner, sometimes you're the last person to get paid. Sometimes you are the last person to get paid. So, and that's why so many businesses fail, because there's just so much overhead, so much risk, and very few break through. Usually within 5 years, a majority of businesses fail. So, let alone become profitable. Usually it's 2, 3 years before a business even becomes profitable. With this business, you have no overhead, you have no expenses, you have you really have no risk, and all upside, all upside. And a lot of people look at it and they go, "Oh, this isn't real." Yeah, it's real. It's a real business. This is the 21st century, guys. The internet's a real thing. Digital marketing is a real thing. And we have a proven program. We have over 50,000 people in our community. When you get involved in this business, not only do you get your website and your products all done for you, you just have to plug it into the system and connect your payment gateways. You become a member of our digital growth community. We have over 50,000 people in the community. They're all like-minded people, all doing things, the same things that you're doing. Teaching, mentoring. We have training. We have live Zoom calls every week. We have tons and tons of training. There's so much support. It's crazy. So it's a wonderful, easy, simple business. People try to overcomplicate it, but it's pretty simple. So you get started, you set up your business, and then you start to market through attraction marketing. And we have what we call a 2-hour workday, and we train you how to do this. There's videos and training on how to do this. And basically, that's what I do. That's really all I do. Once my business is set up, I start posting content. I post 3 pieces of content at least a day, and I pick a platform that I want, and you can learn how to repurpose that content and put it on other social media platforms as well. So you only have to create that video or that post once, and then you can repurpose it. We teach you how to do that. It's very simple. You don't have to have a following. I didn't have a following. I didn't have a social media following really at all. Matter of fact, we encourage you to start from scratch, because we teach you how to train the algorithms to find your perfect customer. So we teach you how to find your perfect customer. Your perfect customer is someone just like you. It's someone just like you. In my case, it's a 60-year-old baby boomer that was short on retirement because we lost my wife's income and we were looking for a way to supplement our income. There's all different kinds of perfect customers out there. Everyone has a unique version. That's why there's no competition in this business, really. There's no saturation in this business. It's a unique thing. So we teach you how to hone in and find your perfect customer, and we teach you how to post that content. We teach you the right way to do it. We teach you how to come up with a hook to stop the scroll. We teach you how to create a story and solution body of your content, and we teach you a CTA, a call to action, which tells your potential lead where and what to do next. So it's simple. It's a simple business, guys. You just got to plug it into the training. And whenever you have a question, there's 50,000 people that will help you. And you're being trained and mentored by 6 and 7 figure income earners. You actually get live training and videos from multimillionaires that are doing the same thing you are. The only difference is they're a little bit further ahead. They've been doing it for a little longer. So there's people on here that, they make money like crazy every day, daily pay. We call it daily pay. Imagine waking up waking up on a Tuesday morning, brushing your teeth, combing your hair, taking a shower, come and check your phone, and you got a sale. That's passive income. That's exciting. And it happens every day in this business. It happened to me. And the nice thing about it is, to be profitable in this business, you just need one sale. One sale and you're profitable. What other business can you say that on? There isn't one. One sale and you're profitable. So I'm in profit mode. I'm promoting my business. I'm excited. I'm making progress. And so many other people are. So many other people are.